Hello everyone, we have made a project on binary frequency shift keying modulation and demodulation technique. Binary frequency shift keying, or in short BFSK, is a digital modulation technique where the digital data is imposed upon carrier of analog nature. Here the carrier will have two different frequency. This is the digital data which we will supply. This is the carrier of 50,000 Hz frequency. This carrier will pass when the digital data is high. This is 500 Hz frequency carrier. It will pass when the digital data is low. This is a high-precision sample-and-hold amplifier which will act as our modulator. It will let the high-frequency carrier pass when the digital data is high, and when the digital data is low, it will let the low-frequency carrier to pass. For ease of application, we are considering a wired channel. This capacitor and resistor act as high-frequency filter and let only the high-frequency carrier to pass. It will discard the low-frequency carrier. This diode, capacitor and resistor block acts as an envelope detector. So and it will detect the high and lower level based on the frequency passing. This is the comparator block which will compare with the threshold. If supplying is higher than the threshold, it will consider it as a high data, and if it is lower than the threshold, it will consider as a low data. Let's simulate the data. In this oscilloscope, we can see the green mark is our sent digital data, the above yellow one is the modulated data, and the blue one is our resultant signal after demodulation. We can see when the signal is sending high, the high frequency carrier is going, when the signal is low, low frequency carrier is going, and the demodulated signal is quite matches with the sent signal. Now let's dive into the practical implementation of this project. This is the carrier signal. This is the circuit setup. Here, yellow one is the modulated signal and the pink one is the demodulated signal. Thank you.